Assalamualaikum students. Today we will discuss the road to Pakistan and subtopic we will discuss timeline and its event. Nehru reports we will discuss today 1928, 13 August. It was prepared by the committee of the All Parties Conference chairman Motilal Nehru with his son Jawaharlal Nehru acting as a secretary. There were 9 other members as well in this committee, including 2 Muslims. Okay, some of the important elements of the report. There shall be no state religion. Man and woman shall have equal rights as citizens. It included a description of the machinery of government, including a proposal for the creation of a Supreme Court and suggestion that the provinces should be linguistically determined. The language of Commonwealth shall be in Indian, which may be written either the Hindi, Taluk, Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Tamil, or in Urdu character. These use of the English language and shall be permitted. Muslim League reaction to Nehru report. So, with few expectation, League leader rejected the Nehru proposal. In reaction, Muhammad Ali Jinnah drafted his 14 points in 1929, which became the core demands the Muslims community put forward as the price of their participating in the independent united in India. Their main objections were separate electorate, the whiteage, the 1916 Congress Muslim community were the areas they were rejected by the Nehru report. The Muslims realized that while there would be a majority in provinces of the northeast and the northwest of India and hence would control their provisional, there would always be a minority at the center. Thus, they demanded, contra the Nehru report, that the residuary power go to the province. 14 points of Jinnah. The 14 points of Jinnah were proposed by the Muhammad Ali Jinnah, drafted by the C. Raja Palachari as a constitutional reform plan to safeguard the political rights of Muslim in self-government in governing in India. Okay, comparison of the Nehru report 1928 with the Jinnah's 40 point had the political gap between the Muslims and the Hindus in India. Jinnah's aim was to get more rights for Muslims. There have gave his 14 points. These points cover all of the interested of the Muslims at the hated time, and in this Jinnah stated that it was the parting of ways and that he did not want to and would not have anything to do with the Indian National Congress in the future. The League leader motivation Jinnah to revive the Muslim League and give it direction. As a result, these points become at the demand of the Muslims and the greatly influence the Muslims' thinking for the next 2 decades till the establishment of Pakistan in 1947. Okay, let's see the 14 points. Okay, the first point, there should be future constitution should be a federal with the residuary power vested in the provinces. Okay, uniform measure of autonomy shall be granted to all provinces. Okay, and the country and the other elected bodies shall be constitution on the definite principle and equated. In the central, Muslim representation shall be not be less than 1/3. Representation of the communal group shall be continue to be a means of separate electorate as at present, provided it shall be open to any community. Okay, full religions liberty of belief, worship, and observance association and education shall be granted to all communities. No bill or resolution or any part thereof shall be passed in any other elected body if three-fourths of the members of community in the particular body oppose it as being injurious to in interest of that community, or in the alternative, provision should be made in the constitution giving Muslims and the advocates share along with the other Indians in all the services of the state and in the local self-governing bodies, having the due to regard to the requirement of efficiency. No cabinet, either the central or a provisional, should be formed without there being a proportion of at least one-third Muslim minister. No change shall be made in the constitution by the central legislature except with the concurrence of the state contribution of the Indian Federation. Reaction. What was the reaction? Let's see the reaction. Among the Hindus, Jinnah's points were highly disagreed. Jawaharlal Nehru referred to them as Jinnah's ridiculous 14 points. These demands were rejected by the Congress party. After Jinnah's points were rejected, he was invited for round table conference where he forwarded the Muslims' point of view.